Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm a new blogger, Crypto Hand. I use the shortest time every day to bring you the most practical information about the coin circle, stocks, and future circle. However, I have to say that the following content is only for news, not for investment advice. First of all, let's review Bitcoin's price performance over the past 24 hours and analyze key technical indicators and market trends. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Let's take a look at the data first. In the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has reached $88,000 and continued to fall. It has now fallen slightly to around $87,000. In 24 hours, the highest point reached around $88,450, and the lowest point fell to around $85,800. The trading volume fell slightly to around 18,090 bitcoins. In terms of trading volume, the trading volume in the past 24 hours was $80.72 billion US. After a slight increase in the previous 2 days, it is normal to fall back today. This week's large institutional purchases have been obvious, supporting the price of Bitcoin. Whether it can be stable next week is still a no. At present, the Trump administration has just signed a bill to increase tariffs on imported cars. All cars not produced in the United States will be subject to a 25% tariff, and it is permanent. Such unilateral trade policy may accelerate the escape of more funds from the United States. Next, we move on to the technical analysis from the 4-hour chart. After Bitcoin broke through $85,000 on March 24th, trading volume continued to rise. The trend in the past 2 days has formed a triangle convergence shape. The next market trend may break through upward or downward. The current position is close to the turning point of the triangle convergence, but considering the news and the time point, it is difficult to have a bigger breakthrough this week. First, there are only 2 days of trading time left, and the U.S. stock market may not have much room for operation. Second, Trump's unilateral trade policy may make more investors hold and observe. The current value of the market's fear and greed index is 40, which has returned to a neutral position, indicating that the current price is acceptable to everyone, is more in line with market expectations. The next trend will still require more capital inflows or outflows to create new market conditions. However, combined with the remarks of Bernstein analysts, in the long run, the price of Bitcoin will reach $200,000 per coin by the end of this year, indicating that the institutional level is still very friendly to comparisons. In summary, Bitcoin has been on a downward trend in the past 24 hours, but it is still above the 200-day moving average. The trading volume has slowed down significantly, indicating that the overall market lacks momentum, and more funds are currently holding a wait-and-see attitude. The next few important news may become important factors in stimulating the market. The first is the Trump administration's automobile tariff policy, which can force more automobile companies to invest in the United States to build factories and create more jobs. The second is whether the U.S. tariffs on Canada and Mexico on April 3rd will be actually implemented. If you are a short-term trader, you can choose to go short or long after the implementation of the two important matters. If you are a long-term holder, you can enter the market at the current position, and if it continues to fall, you can continue to buy by DCA. The BRP platform will provide you with better and more convenient services in the crypto market. BRP is a world-leading multi-asset trading center headquartered in Singapore. It has successfully established subsidiaries and expanded its business in the United States, Hong Kong, and other places. At present, the number of registered users has reached 509,000, covering various countries and regions around the world. Its business includes global payments and international remittances, as well as major investment services such as U.S. stocks, Hong Kong stocks, and digital currencies. BRP currently supports online real-time exchange of more than 30 mainstream legal currencies and more than 200 mainstream digital currencies. You can check the exchange rate and convert it on BRP website. It provides a mid-rate with zero hidden price difference and has only very small handling fee, which is simpler, more transparent, and cheaper. It also adopts the local transfer method in most countries or regions in the world, with no limit on the amount, and truly achieves same-day remittance and same-day arrival, making global remittance faster, more convenient, and safer. So much for today's sharing. See you tomorrow.